Alrighty, Jeremy, here's your 427 small block Ford. Give description of this combination. It's got a set of our CNC heads on it, custom grind hydraulic roller. It's got the Edelbrock Pro Flo on it. March Serpentine belt setup up front. First up oil pan. We're going to make a run. See what you does. Stay tuned. Okie doke, 3,300, 503 foot-pounds of torque, peak torque 523, peak horsepower 535, so everything's good. We'll show you a couple things now. When you receive your engine, find this thing looks like a credit card. It's a USB card. It is full of technical information. You'll have a packet. You'll have this engine spec sheet in it. I highly recommend kind of reading over that. Have any questions, don't hesitate to contact us. Have a great day.